Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your audio settings or turn off the sounds within the Days Gone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Days Gone game within your device, and once you are taken within the main menu, if you wish to change the audio settings, just click on the options menu. From here, you will find the audio section. Go ahead and click on it, and you can now choose the volume level for sound effects, music as well as dialogues. Just click on the arrow button at the left to decrease your volume, and you can swipe it towards the right to increase it. You can also choose your dynamic range, and after choosing so, you can just go back to your menu and your audio settings have now been applied to your game right away. You can now start the game and enjoy with your newly set up audio settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio settings or turn sounds off within the Days Gone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.